Hello everyone, this is BJ DJ. You probably have heard me play Blake Shelton and Gwen Stefani's ukulele cover of Nobody But You. So I got a request recently from Hi People on how to play this. So basically, first of all, I use the pick to both use the soft and sharp tone, because I could tell whether I could tell by it or not. So I know that commonly you guys would ever use the fingers, but anyway, let's not waste any more time. So for Nobody But You, there are only 3 chords. They are C major, A minor, and F major. So for C major, you put any finger, first, second, or third, on the first string on the 3rd fret, going like this. And then there's A minor, which is my 2nd finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret, like this. And then finally there's F major, which is my first finger on the 2nd string, 1st fret, and my 2nd finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret, going like this. And that's all that it does, is that it repeats those chords throughout the song, going like. So I just want to see if you can help me out by following up with me a little slowly. We could try the chorus first. We could try the chorus and see if we can you could keep up with me a little slowly. Just want to make sure if you don't have a ukulele, that's okay. You could just watch the video while I do it. So in the chorus we go 1, 2, and 3, and 4. I don't wanna live without you. A minor. I don't wanna. F. C. A minor. C. I don't wanna go down the other road now. I don't wanna love nobody but you. Looking in your eyes now, if I had to die now, I don't wanna love nobody but you. And so that way, that's how it goes. And also on the bridge, it just copies the first verse. You just do 1 strum, going like this. Like, wanna say it now, wanna make it clear, for only you and God to hear. That's just 1 strum each. So, I guess that's all I can give out for, the instruction video for the ukulele cover of Nobody But You. And I hope you enjoyed my cover as well. And I just wanted to give extra special thanks to Hi People for requesting this. And I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.